Hey folks, huge news from Google today. In an exciting yet surprising announcement, Google revealed it's officially retiring Google Assistant and replacing it with Gemini, their next-generation AI, on Android devices by late 2025. This is not just a simple update, it's a transformative shift in how you'll interact digitally across your entire tech ecosystem. Stick with me, because today we're going deep into exactly what Gemini is, why Google is making this bold move, and what it means for you and your digital world. This shift isn't confined just to your phone. Gemini is going to impact a wide range of devices within Google's ecosystem. Starting later this year, Gemini will become the default AI on Android phones running Android 10 or newer with at least 2 GB RAM. Tablets, smart wearables like watches and earbuds, connected cars, and smart home devices like speakers, displays, and TVs are all part of this upgrade. Picture this. Your smartwatch proactively suggests a personalized fitness plan, or your smart TV automatically recommends the perfect show tailored to your viewing preferences. Gemini's arrival signifies the dawn of truly personalized, intelligent interactions across your digital life. But why is Google making such a drastic change? To understand that, let's quickly rewind. Back in 2022, when ChatGPT stormed onto the scene, it didn't just make headlines, it fundamentally changed expectations for AI technology. Google responded with Bard, aiming to match ChatGPT's success, but Bard fell short, leaving Google scrambling to catch up. Realizing incremental improvements weren't enough, Google dramatically accelerated its AI innovation, ultimately developing Gemini. This new AI model was built not as an incremental upgrade, but as a generational leap forward capable of richer, context-aware conversations and solving complex tasks more efficiently. Gemini represents Google's determination to reclaim its leadership in AI technology. So, why exactly retire the familiar Google Assistant? The truth is, Google Assistant has always excelled at basic voice commands like setting reminders, weather updates, and controlling smart home devices, but struggled significantly with complex, multi-step queries. For example, imagine you're organizing a family reunion. Assistant could provide basic answers or simple reminders, but Gemini can go far deeper, helping you pick venues, coordinate attendees, and offer personalized suggestions based on your family's past preferences and experiences. Google's aim with Gemini is clear: deliver deeper interactions and greater personalization, far beyond the capabilities of the traditional Google Assistant. What sets Gemini apart are features like 2.0 Flash Thinking, enabling Gemini to maintain context across extended interactions and handle file uploads for deeper, more detailed responses. Then there's the groundbreaking Deep Research function, an advanced AI research assistant fluent in over 45 languages, capable of summarizing extensive documents instantly. Imagine you're working on a complex research paper or preparing a presentation. Gemini can instantly summarize extensive materials, suggest key points, and even identify connections you might miss. For daily life, Gemini can automatically tailor your newsfeed, appointments, and suggestions to your preferences and past behaviors, making each interaction highly relevant and personalized. To truly grasp Gemini's potential, let's consider practical examples. Imagine you're a student overwhelmed by exams. Gemini doesn't just answer basic questions, it actively creates personalized study guides, quizzes, and even flashcards from your course materials. Or perhaps you're a busy professional. Gemini could intelligently organize your schedule, automatically scheduling important meetings and preparing detailed, customized agendas. Even at home, Gemini enhances your daily routine, intelligently controlling smart devices to match your lifestyle, automatically adjusting lights, temperature, and entertainment options based on your habits. This level of personal attention was simply not achievable with Google Assistant. However, this transition isn't without challenges. Users have legitimate privacy concerns due to Gemini's deep integration with personal data from services like Gmail, Google Calendar, Photos, and Maps. The depth and scale of data Gemini accesses naturally raise important questions about transparency, user privacy, and data security. Additionally, there's genuine nostalgia among users accustomed to Assistant's straightforward approach. Google needs to clearly communicate its privacy commitments and demonstrate responsible data practices to reassure users. Early user reactions and market response. 1 min Early responses to Gemini have been varied yet optimistic. Tech enthusiasts love Gemini's advanced capabilities, highlighting new features like Gemini Gems, customizable AI modules for specific tasks such as cooking or financial planning. Meanwhile, longtime assistant users voice caution online, concerned about data privacy and complexity. Google's careful handling of these reactions will be key to Gemini's widespread adoption. Gemini's arrival puts direct pressure on competitors such as Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, and Microsoft's Copilot. Google's aggressive shift toward advanced generative AI sets a new industry benchmark. Competitors are likely to respond by accelerating their own AI innovations, potentially triggering an AI arms race, benefiting consumers through increased competition and rapid technological advancements. Ultimately, Gemini isn't just replacing Google Assistant, it symbolizes Google's vision for the future of digital interaction. Gemini promises to redefine our relationship with technology, making it smarter, more intuitive, and highly personalized. While exciting, this transition comes with challenges around privacy and transparency that Google must navigate carefully. What are your thoughts? Excited or skeptical about Gemini replacing Assistant? Comment below, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.